Yeah?
It's really crispy.
Yeah.
And the chicken's really juicy. It was really good.
Are you pooping, Leia? That looks bomb. Chicken katsu curry. Yes! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day of Hungry Ant. And today I got a sous chef. I got Mr. Enzo, my 3-month-old son. Sometimes we just have daddy duties and we still gotta make videos. So today we are making chicken katsu curry. And Enzo, do you see what's there? Can you tell everybody what we have? So this is one of my favorite dishes. It's a Japanese dish. We are gonna use this Japanese golden curry. And we're gonna put our chicken into some panko. And I really like this panko because it's the honey panko. And it's delicious. You can use it for tempura. You can use it for a lot of things, but I mainly use it just for my meats. And then we have some potatoes and some vegetables that I already prepped out. I got my fryer going because we're gonna fry the katsu. You guys, you don't have to make chicken katsu. You can make pork. You can make beef. You can do anything you want. And my favorite is actually putting cheese inside the katsu, but I don't have cheese right now, so that's gonna be difficult. And also for all the vegetarians that hit me up and say, hey, can you make something that's vegetarian? Just don't put meat in it. You can just use vegetables, guys, and it should work out pretty good. So this is kind of a two-part recipe. You have curry and you have chicken katsu, but my favorite is combining both. So that's what we're doing today. And we can actually make this in less than 30 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Enzo, what are you looking at? You're supposed to look at the camera. Look at the camera. What are you looking at over there? I don't know what he's looking at. So we got this pot going on over here and we are gonna start making our curry right away. Put some oil in there. I put a little more. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, let that oil go around the pot. All right, now that the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna put these veggies in there. We're gonna mix it around. This is very similar to making a chicken soup, and that's actually how I make my curries, just so I can maximize the flavor, and it's just more healthy that way, getting all these vegetables in there. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Add some pepper. And mix it around some more. So our goal here is to get all the flavors out of these vegetables. So once we put our water in here, the curry is gonna taste pretty good. So we'll cook these up for about 2 to 4 minutes, okay? And also to allow the carrots to soften up a little bit. Can you smell it, Enzo? Smells pretty good. All right, Enzo agrees that it smells pretty good. So now we're gonna add 5 cups of water in here. But you guys remember the last time I made the Hainan chicken, we're gonna use that broth to put inside. Usually I would use water, but because we have the broth, we're gonna use it. So we got 2 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups. You okay there, buddy? Okay. We're gonna let this guy boil up a little bit. Let the carrots get nice and soft and the celery. In the meantime, I'm gonna prep out these potatoes and then we're gonna throw them into the pot as well. Okay, now that it's boiling, I can add the potatoes in there. See, that looks really good. Got a nice color in there. I put extra celery because I love celery when it's soft in the curry. And the potatoes I put for Leia. I don't usually put potatoes in the curry, but Leia needs to fan up a little bit. Now that this guy is boiling, we can put the curry in there. I really like using this curry because it's the most flavorful and it's not as spicy. And I also got the mild just so my kids can eat it, or just Leia can eat it. So we're gonna use the whole pack. And I like using the box because it takes only 15 minutes to cook. So we don't have to make it straight from the powder. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. They're like little cubes. You wanna see what the curry looks like, Enzo? Look. Why you keep looking over there? There's nothing over there. They're over there. Hi, everybody. It's gonna be the Hungry Enzo show. Ooh, do you smell that? You smell the curry? So when you take out the curry, they're in cubes. So I'm gonna use all of it. Kind of strong, huh, buddy? All right, so we're gonna put these cubes in there, break them up, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna lower the heat so we don't burn the curry. So we're gonna mix it around and make sure the curry gets all nice and melted. All right. Turn my heat up a little bit again, sorry. Oh yeah, look at that color. It's beautiful. That looks bomb. Okay. So we want to make sure all of the cubes are dissolved. When it's dissolved, we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna let it simmer. Put the fire on a low. And then I'm gonna cover it up. Now we can start cooking our chicken katsu. So we'll prep that part out. So I got my fryer preheating to 350. So we're gonna put some breadcrumbs in here. I'm only gonna put enough to coat the chickens. That's about 2 cups of panko, guys. If you guys don't know what panko is, it's Japanese breadcrumbs. I definitely like to get this because of the honey flavor to it. And the flakiness just adds a really nice crunch. And I can't wait for you guys to see what it looks like. All right, guys, my oil is nice and hot. My panko is ready to go in my mix. So let me show you guys what I do. I don't have any AP flour, so I'm using cornstarch. It's supposed to help with all this. I know it's really hard because everyone's trying to make bread right now. I'm gonna have to tell this guy, when he wakes up, he's not gonna have a job anymore. Enzo, there's so many people that lost their jobs. I'm trying to give you a job right now. This is what you do, fall asleep on the job. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and fry our chicken katsus. This is by far the coolest part. So what we do is, we're gonna put this chicken thighs into the cornstarch. We'll do 2 pieces since we're making 2 meals. Okay, just like that. We're gonna dust it off a little bit. Okay, dust this one off. Okay, now we're gonna put it into the egg. Okay, and from the eggs, let it drip a little bit. Now we're gonna put it into our panko. Just like that. We're not gonna make the panko crust too thick because it's gonna be really hard to bite. You do want it to be soft still. I do see the difference with using flour and cornstarch, but we just don't have it. It's tough. I think every recipe I've made during this quarantine period has all been adjusted to certain ingredients that we have, you know? So I think everyone can relate to that. Okay. I like using chicken thighs because it's a lot more juicy and flavorful. I have used white meat a lot before, but this is just what I have right now, and it's cheap to get at the markets. All right, so that's how we want it. It's just a thin layer, and then we're gonna put it into the fryer gently. Okay. And then we'll put in our second one, just like that. So we're gonna cook this in the fryer so it looks nice golden brown. I would say that's about 10 minutes. So you see right there, it's looking pretty good. While that's happening, I don't wanna waste my egg. So I'm gonna cook the egg and I'm gonna put it on top of my rice. It's so good that way. So that's something that I learned from eating at Curry House. By the way, I know Curry House closed down. I don't know why, it sucks. But this is what costs more at Curry House, and we can make it at home for almost nothing. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put some oil on here. So we're gonna put our egg in here, just like that. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. Okay, in the meantime, we gotta check out our curry. Ooh, all right, that's perfect. So you do have to stir it occasionally or the bottom is gonna start getting stuck to everything. But man, that's looking perfect. You see that consistency? Yep, that's the drip that we want. Now I'm just gonna turn off the fire, and that's how we want the egg to be. Okay. That's all we're gonna do. Put it to the side. All right, chicken's almost done. Let's see what the other side looks like. Oh yeah, looking really good. Just give it like one more minute. It's pretty good. I can't believe you're sleeping through all this, Enzo. You're missing out. I think the chicken's done. It's been about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna let the oil drain from that batter right there. It's perfect though. Love that color. So while that's draining, we can go ahead and start putting our rice onto the plate. All right guys, this is looking pretty good. Look at these bad boys, man. Chicken katsu, baby. All right, not you, baby, you go to sleep. Now we're gonna cut these guys up. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! You hear that? That sounds really good. Look, cooked perfectly. See, that's still juicy. My wife is gonna love dinner tonight. Okay. All right, now we can put the egg on mine because Christina can't have too much egg. All right, so now with the curry, we're gonna get a nice scoop. Just like that. Ooh, that looks delicious. And get some on this egg right here like that. Yeah, baby. That's really good. And there you have it, guys. Chicken katsu curry, made in less than 30 minutes. It's steaming hot, it's crispy, it looks good. I'm gonna take a bite right now. Are you still sleeping, dude? Ooh, I got Panko in your hair. My bad. Okay, are you ready? Are you awake? Good morning. Good morning. All right, let's try this bad boy. Yeah. Woo! That chicken is so tender, so juicy. Beautiful crunch on the panko. The curry is lovely. So much flavor in that curry. Now to try it with the egg. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. Oh yeah. I gotta try another piece. Mmm. That's so good. I'm sorry, baby. I wish you could eat this. You know what? I'm gonna do something a little different this time. I have Enzo with me because Christina was trying to nap and she was also taking care of Leia. But I'm gonna go check to see if she's awake and if she wants to try this in front of you guys so you guys know this is really good and I'm not lying. Let me go grab her. Haha, we got the whole family here today.
Yeah.
Let me know how you like it. How does it look?
It looks really good. It smells good too.
Yeah. What's he looking at?
He's just looking at me. You want to try some of this?
No.
No. Okay, mommy's gonna try it.
Alright. This looks really good. Mmm.
Yeah?
It's really crispy.
Yeah.
And the chicken's really juicy. It's really good.
Are you pooping, Leia?
I think she's putting on a show.
What are you doing? Oh my gosh.
She just woke up from her nap, so she's a little out of it, but yeah, this is really good. Are you sure you want to try some? Mmm. Oh, I thought it's not spicy either.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that's it for the chicken katsu curry. Thank you for joining on today's video. Please make sure to subscribe and share with all your friends and make this for your family at home while you're quarantined if you have the ingredients. Don't go out just yet. So on to the next video, guys. We love you and thank you for joining in and tasting the food.
You're welcome.
You want to lay a smash face?
You want to give a kiss?
Okay.
Okay, lay a smash face.
Ready?
No.
He wants Enzo smash face. Okay,
All right,
ready?
Enzo smash face.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Say
Say
bye.
bye.
I guess you're.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy.